Of a Category 2 hurricane, not a snowstorm, moving through Colorado.
Man, Colorado's weather is so bipolar. Today we had a pretty nice day. It was partly cloudy. I think we hit a high of about 58, maybe 60. And we've got this blizzard forecast for tomorrow, and you can see right now we pretty much have 100% cloud cover. So we've gone from partly cloudy to 100% cloudy. Temperatures are dropping, and I'm going to get you a good shot of the storm coming in over the mountain. I mean, you know, bipolar Colorado. I just figured I better just get a quick ride in while I can, because it'll probably be a couple of days before the streets are decent enough to go out for another ride. So that, and then I think we've got some colder temperatures going to stick around for a few days. So it might be a week before I get to ride again, actually, because I'm a whip when it comes to the cold. So we'll see what happens. But we're going to run over to this hill, get a quick shot of the storm coming in over the top of Pikes Peak. And this doesn't happen often. I honestly cannot remember the last time this has happened. But the schools, at least in my district, and I think a couple other districts around town, have actually already canceled school for tomorrow. I remember one time we had this epic ice storm. Let me tell you what, if you've ever driven around Colorado Springs, you know that it's just a bunch of hills. And we had this epic ice storm, and they didn't cancel school. And I got to the top of one of the hills, and a school bus was actually slid into the curbing, and smartly so stayed right there, because they were about to go down a big steep hill that I was dumb enough to go down. And let me tell you what, ABS was clicking all the way down that hill, man. It was a little bit sketchy. I thought I was going to end up in somebody's backyard. And here we had this beautiful day, and they've already canceled school for tomorrow. So I haven't really paid that much attention to the forecast, other than I know the storm's coming in tonight, and then sometime tomorrow morning we're supposed to get a lot of wind, and it's going to turn into a blizzard. So here I am, taking advantage of whatever's left in this day, getting a quick ride in around town. Another typical day in Colorado. You just don't know what you're going to get from one day to the next. I think the meteorologists here probably have one of the toughest jobs in the United States, if not around the world, man. The weather is just so bipolar here. Alright, I'm not staying too long because it's just going to get cold fast.
Taking a look here at the bigger picture, you know, this isn't something we see in Colorado. This radar signature like this, with the rain bands wrapping around the center of the storm down here in southeast Colorado. I mean, this looks more like a tropical storm or a hurricane, and in fact, the pressure was so low down in La Junta, Colorado this morning, that it may have been a record for the lowest pressure ever recorded in Colorado, and certainly something more the equivalent of a Category 2 hurricane, not a snowstorm, moving through Colorado.
literally just barely a mile away from my house, and I've already seen 3 semi-trucks stuck. We just passed one getting towed. I've seen at least 2 or 3 cars stuck on the side of the road. This is ridiculous. The roads are a disaster. I'm probably got issues in my head. I'm going to the gym right now, get my workout on. But these are some of the worst conditions. I think these might be the worst condition I've ever driven in anywhere I've lived ever. So this confirms that I'm an idiot. I'm the only dummy that tries to go to the gym during a blizzard. As you can see, the doors are locked. Oh, I don't know how well this video is gonna come out. The trees are swaying. The wind is blowing like crazy, man. We got drifts many feet high. Oh my gosh, just complete. Alright, I can't even look into the wind. I'm getting back in my truck. This is clearly one of the dumbest things I've done in a while. So, I'm gonna head back home because this is insane. Okay, it continues to get better. So the wind is, like I said before, 70 plus. I heard one report saying 90 miles per hour winds. So the wind's coming out of the north, and I'm driving back home heading south, and so the stoplights that are facing into the wind are just toast. They're frozen over and covered with snow. You can't see them at all. So I was proceeding with extreme caution, going really, really slow, and this guy out of an adjacent intersection there just pulls out, and I thought, holy crap, I must have had the red light. And so as he goes through the intersection, I'm going slow enough, I see it coming. I pass through the intersection after he pulls out, and I look over to see his stoplight, and sure enough, he had the green light, and I just blasted through a red light. And when I say blasted through, I'm going like 20 miles per hour. Perfect.